Welcome to the Supreme Court, the highest court in the UK. The Supreme Court is separate and independent from government. It's really important in a democracy that we are independent from external pressures so people can be confident that the law will be applied fairly to everyone and that judges are impartial. This is Courtroom 1. As you can see, we may not look like a court you see on film or TV. There is no dock or witness box. This is because the Supreme Court is a court of appeal. It doesn't dispute facts, decide guilt or innocence, or allocate compensation. What it does do is make a final decision on how the law should be interpreted. As the highest court of appeal, the decisions of the justices of the Supreme Court apply to all the lower courts. That's magistrates, tribunals, crown courts and county courts across the UK, all the way up to the High Court and the Court of Appeal. A case could come up through this judicial hierarchy if it raises an arguable point of law of general public importance. The only exception being criminal cases from Scotland, which stop at the High Court of Justiciary in Edinburgh. So, what is a point of law of general public importance? It means a law that needs interpreting on an issue that affects society as a whole. These are cases about real issues that affect people's everyday lives. Take the Uber case, for example. Two taxi drivers argued that they should be entitled to workers' rights, such as minimum wages and paid holiday, whereas the ride-hailing app Uber argued that they were self-employed and not entitled to these benefits. This case started at an employment tribunal, but was ultimately decided at the Supreme Court. It's an important case because the judgment decided the type of employment rights that Uber drivers have, and this affects the employment rights of all those people that work within the gig economy. We welcome thousands of people to our building every year and reach many students through our education programs. We also broadcast our hearings and judgments online so that people can see the work of the court. It's important that justice is seen to be done. We believe in transparency and want people to see and understand what we do so that they can have confidence in the work of the court.